how to cancel subscription for LinkedIn Premium. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to cancel your plan. So first things first, go to your premium career and click on my subscription. Over here in this subscription, this is where you will be able to see your purchases. And as you can see, this is our premium career. So what you could do next is under actions, you could actually select cancel payment or cancel subscription. For me, I have a free trial, so it's appearing as cancel free trial. So that's what you could do. After this, or if you prefer, you could also go to PayPal and you could also go to the LinkedIn automatic payment and you could actually cancel this so that it will stop doing automatic payments and you could at least have you are able to get the most out of the plan that you have purchased. So even if you want to stop now, you could just stop the payment process. So you are able to use the feature for the rest of the month, but you no longer need to worry about paying it. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.